Hey guys, welcome to my video, and in this video we will see download and installation of Python. Now open your browser and type this URL or get this link from description, then hit enter and you will be redirected to its official page where you can download Python application. Now go to the download section and choose your operating system. I'll choose Windows. If you have 32-bit system, you can download x86 executable installer. But I have 64-bit system, so I look for 64-bit executable installer and click to download. And downloading will start shortly. And wait for download to complete. Now I have downloaded the file, so I'll just click to the show in folder, and here I see Python executable installer. Now run this application and you see its setup wizard. Then click to add Python 3.8 to path. This will add its path to the environment. Then click to install now, and then installation will start. This will take a few minutes, so please wait. And here you see setup was successful, and click close. Now open command prompt. Type window plus R for run and type cmd, then enter. And type python --version and hit enter. And you see its version, which is 3.8.3. And then I will type Python and enter to check it is working or not. So now I am into its environment, where I'll type print, and inside double quotes I'll type hello, then enter. You'll see hello on a console. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.